Hello viewers and welcome to Recipes You Like, and today we are going to make masala bhindi in microwave. And for this you require bhindi 500 grams. Wash the bhindi first and cut in any shape as you like. Teaspoon cumin seed powder, that is zira powder. Let us now begin the method of preparation. Take a microwave bowl and mix all the ingredients in their set quantity. First begin with the lady finger, that is bhindi, then onions, oil, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin seed powder, coriander powder, salt. Mix them all together nicely. Let us now add the tomato puree. Here adding the tomato puree before frying the bhindi won't make it sticky as in the conventional cooking as it goes into the microwave. Let's now mix it properly. Now add a little bit of amchoor powder. Mix this up again. Now our bhindi is ready to go into the microwave. Let us keep it on high power for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, check out if your bhindi has cooked properly or not. Does it need any more time to cook? Stir it a little bit so that it gets cooked up evenly. At this stage, let us add some coriander leaves and keep it cooking for another 5 minutes at high power. Yeah, now our microwave masala bhindi is ready to go for serving. You can have it with roti or paratha. Now let's garnish it with a little bit of garam masala and few coriander leaves. Hope you will enjoy and make this recipe just made in 10 minutes. Thanks for watching the video. See you in another video. Do give in your feedback and comments. Bye for now from Recipes You Like.